Hi, we're students of University of Massachusetts Amherst. My name is Kai Sharp, and I'm a public health major.
My name's Anave de Jesus, and I'm an environmental engineering major.
My name is Anya Quaglietta, and I'm a biology major.
And my name is Matthew Noguera, and I'm an NRC major.
We're Team Rad Pandas, and we decided to come out to Mount Toby State Park today to help clean up some trash on the trails and parking lots. We decided to do this project because we believe it really embodies what we believe to be civic engagement. We wanted to help clean up this area not only for the natural community that lives here, but also for the people that come to enjoy these trails. This is a real beautiful intersection of nature and human involvement, and we wanted to help preserve that.
Founded in 1647, Mount Toby State Park in Sunderland, Massachusetts showcases diverse topography from its highest point, Mount Toby, to Cranberry Pond, its lowest point and our current location today. It serves as a hub for recreational activities like fishing, hiking, horseback riding, and more. The park itself spans 755 acres, which is the equivalent of 572 football fields. Before colonization, all of this land belonged to the Pecumtuck Nation, highlighting historical significance and acknowledging the displacement of indigenous communities. It's crucial to recognize the impact of colonization and not let indigenous history be erased.
Environmental leadership is important because someone has to step up and take responsibility and help clean these parks. And hopefully people that see this video will be inspired to do the same thing.
So why is it important we're doing what we're doing here? Well, first of all, it's important because we need to help the local animals and environment. I mean, we just found today a salamander and a snail from just this area, and everyone loves going to local parks. I loved going to local parks as a kid, but we can't keep enjoying local parks without preserving the local park. So that's why it's important to pick up your trash, and whenever you're visiting areas, just be mindful.
Our environmental leadership experience has taught us the value of taking personal responsibility for the environment. This rewarding experience has shown us how small actions like volunteering your time or picking up litter all come together and contribute to keeping the world cleaner and a better place for wildlife and humans alike.
I consent to be in this video. Okay. When I see the trash, I watch my grip on reality start to slip, and my first reaction is anger, but underneath that is sadness that people don't respect nature and the ability for other people to enjoy it in its pristine state. I sometimes try to take the point of view, like to see the other person's situation of why they would do that. And at first I'm angry because I just feel like they're careless, but I realize that underneath it, that they must have something going on with them that would make them be so unattuned to what's going on out here. Because if they really realize the depth of their interconnectedness with the planet and with nature, then they wouldn't behave that way. I can't tell you, when I saw you young people walking with bags and I thought, oh my God, they're picking up trash, I just made my heart smile. Thank you so much for your service and your modeling of great behavior.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.